Oh, look at that bend. Oh. Oh. Whew. This is probably the biggest fish I ever caught. Let's let him run for a little bit. Okay. Put the smoke out. Whew. Holy shit. He is big, baby. Oh, he's a tank. Whoo! He's a tank. Oh, man. Sorry, camera. I know you want to see me. I'm so pretty. Oh, he's probably too big for this net, to be honest. Dig, baby, dig. Ooh, boy. You're huge, dude. I know. No. Oh, fuck. Guy. Oh my God. Ooh, she's big. She's a big. Oh. She's giant. That's a big bitch.